Hi everyone, this is Anil Kumar. Yeah, this is the continuation of the earlier login application. So, to recap, we have created a login form and a login controller where we access the parameters username and password. So we are redirecting to success JSP. Let me write a simple logic over here where I will demonstrate kind of error scenario as well. So mm, I'm whatever I captured here. Suppose if I have I'm actually doing a validation for the password. So what I will do is if password dot equals to uh, I'm just setting password should be always kind of Java. Okay, if password equal to Java, then only I am treating this particular scenario as a success. Otherwise, what we'll do is I will try to redirect to the error.jsp. So password should be because what I am setting the password as a Java. So if other than password string as Java, I'm treating that as an error. So mv dot set view name equal to some error.jsp. I think error.jsp is not there, right? So we will create. That's not a problem. So error.jsp, and also I need to set the same object of uh, output. So I will set the same output, but output value should be different. Okay, I will set the output. Let me set the output first. Output to the result. So the message would be something called as uh, result equal to something called login failed, right? So what I have done, so I'm treating from the backend, I'm setting the password as a Java. If it is the password equals to Java, then only I'm treating that as a success. Otherwise I'm treating that scenario as a failure. I'm redirecting to error. So what we need to do, we need to create a error JSP. Click on new JSP. That is the file name would be error.jsp. Click on finish. So in the body, what I will do is the result what I am printing here is uh, the expression language, same thing, and I need to capture the output. Output is the variable where we have set in the controller, right? So output, I think there should not be any space. So this is the out expression language output. um, so this is the success JSP, and this is the error.jsp. So that is pretty much it. So we need to capture this particular variable in the JSP, and we need to forward. Let me run this example, and we will treat the scenarios. First, one scenario we will try to give the password as Java, and other scenario we will try to give the same password as a string other than Java. So let me run this application. Run as run on server. So it will open up here. I think every time I think it is asking to restart the server. That's not an issue actually. Now a backend code is getting changed, so we need to restart the server because all these are server side components. So it is running in the console. I think it would open the login form. Okay, The first scenario, what? Okay, this is given the login form. Let me create a username and password also Java. It should redirect to the success JSP. Okay, now the login got successful. Come back and give a password which is something a wrong password. Okay, something xxx, some different password. We will see how it goes. Oh, I think we need to again change the expression language tag, right? That the tag which is to be interpreted as, we need to ignore the expression language. So let me copy this expression language ignored tag to the error.jsp, and I need to recompile it again. So let me restart the server again. Let me run this application. So we'll test this scenario now. Okay. Uh, Let me open the form. I think this, once the server gets restarted, the form gets opened. Let me maximize it. I'm creating Java as a username, and password I'm giving the wrong password. Okay, it should go to the error.jsp as per our flow that we have written in the controller. Yeah, so the result is login has failed. So if you give the password as Java and click on submit, it is login successful. And if you give some kind of any other password, it will redirect to login failure. In the same way, we can write some different connectivity to the database code, and where we will store these password, username and password, different username passwords of the database, and we can validate those things from the DB, and we can implement the user security as well. So this is how the demonstration of the login application. Now we will see the subsequent MVC related videos in the next coming tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please click on the like button. Thank you.